Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, north central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles west of Morrison, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Morrison and Cedar Lake. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.